I think our approach is always really honest. So we love to work in eye height. We love to build with materials where you can feel how things are built.
For Spacon, it's always super important how we can find and use the best materials. And it really plays such an important role of developing a spatial identity for us. How the materials can supply those stories and how you would experience it when you visit.
So my name is Malene Hvidt. I'm one of the co-founding partners of Spacon. And Spacon is a design studio based in Copenhagen. We believe in mixing cultures, mixing disciplines. We're a team of architects, interior designers, product designers, carpenters.
So we have basically been mixing the fields of architecture, fields of design, communication, behavior, craftsmanship, materiality into one cross-disciplinary office, design studio. So HART is a bakery started by Richard Hart, who used to work for Noma, so it's co-owned by Richard Hart himself and then the Noma family. And we were digging into the whole story about how Richard Hart has this kind of rebel way of working with pastry and bakery. Everything is done by hand, and together with New York-based Gretel, we got a new identity for the signage and the logo, which is this hand that we have designed in a neon sign and used as a clear reference and logo all over the HART bakeries. We always work with this honesty in all the materials we use. When it's wood, you should be able to see what type of wood we have worked with, how the stains or the color is integrated into the wood, and the level that we can go to Material Bank's website and we can find different variations of the materials we have in mind, the different color samples, and we can get it home the next day. And being able to stand with that physically with the client and with the design team and take the right decisions makes the absolute difference of a good project. So HART Holmen is one of the first HARTs that we did. It's in the old Mærsehuset, it's called, and it's on the tip of the water. You have the Copenhagen harbor running in and becoming the canals of Christianshavn. We decided to work with this custom-made grid system that sets both the bar and with this panel that has this blue color that kind of reference back to the water around you, but also contrast beautifully the red in the existing wood. We have these charcoal boards where people working there can put their notes, they can put their post-its, and we wanted to really be a place where you can feel the people behind the brand. Then we work with this shelving system where all the Noma projects and HART products can be displayed that really also color the space. And behind that we managed to create a zone that we wanted to be a little calmer because there's always a line at HART bakeries. The furniture itself are made of wood and it has this grain of red into it that again reflects back to both the surface of the water but also the red on the wood. And in HART Mærsehuset we really had like both existing materials of the building that we had samples of, and then we wanted to contrast it with these both like different colors, different stains of wood against the existing wood structures. And it really plays such an important role of developing a spatial identity for us. How the materials can supply those stories and how you would experience it when you visit the space.